High School families and friends, I am Mr. Hinson, your principal, and I want to welcome you to tonight's open house. Tonight, I expect that you will have an opportunity to get to know your child's teacher and open a line of communication that will ensure the ongoing success of your son or daughter. As the school year progresses, it will be important to continue to stay involved, as our success will hinge upon your continued support. As the principal of Atlantic High School, I have great expectations of myself to be supportive of our students and staff, but please know that a strong home and school connection is needed. So please be sure to stay in touch with your child's teachers. Here at Atlantic High School, we are known as the School of Opportunity, where we have rigorous courses, 9 great academies, several sports, and multiple clubs for your child to be involved. Please encourage your child to participate, as extracurricular activities will only enrich your child's high school experience. And finally, if you ever have any concerns, please do take advantage of my open door policy or email me or my administrative team so that we may work through your concerns together. As stated by John C. Maxwell, teamwork makes the dream work. Again, thanks for your continued support, and as always, go Sharks.